So for this project, you are going to need different beads and fake pearls in different shapes and colors. I got mine from Walmart for 98 cents. Then you're going to need scissors if you want to sew on the beads. And then with that, you're going to need a needle and thread, but I just decided to hot glue it on. And then last but not least, you're going to need the dress. This is the dress. I think it's cute, but it definitely needs a little pizzazz. So I just start by cutting open each little package and trying to get organized. Then you want to lay out your beads in the design that you want. I kind of did like a flower design. I did 3 in the first row and then 2 in the next. Lastly, I just got a piece of cardboard so I can put that in between the dress so that the glue does not go through to the other side. So once the cardboard is in between your dress, just go ahead and flatten it out so you can get ready to start gluing. So you take your craft tweezers and your beads, your hot glue gun, and then you just start gluing all of the beads in place according to your pattern. So this entire process took me about an hour, and I also decided to add some rhinestones because I just think a little bit of sparkle is always so super cute. So once I get towards the bottom of the dress, I take out the cardboard and then put it back in horizontally. That way the entire bottom portion of the dress is a flat surface, so it makes it really easy for gluing on the beads. So this is the design that I put together. Don't worry about the glue that's left over. You can take it off with a lint roller or you can manually remove it. And then this is the final product. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be back with another video soon.